The MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is not just a cleaning appliance. It is the silent, tireless sentinel of your floors. A veritable knight in shining plastic armor. With its potent 2300 paw suction, it devours dust bunnies and pet hair with a ravenous appetite, leaving behind a pristine wake. Moreover, its 2.87-inch slim design allows it to navigate the treacherous canyons beneath furniture, where dust has long sought refuge. And it can also effortlessly transition from hardwood to carpet, a testament to its versatile nature. This particular model, the MANVN Robot Vacuum with 3D Obstacle Avoidance, masterfully navigates a home's complex landscape, dodging table legs and chair rungs with the grace of a ballet dancer, consequently ensuring a thorough yet gentle cleaning. Thus, it's not merely cleaning your home. It is orchestrating a symphony of cleanliness, a harmonious ballet of bristles and wheels. Indeed, the control mechanisms of the MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offer unparalleled convenience, affording users the freedom to command their cleaning champion from virtually anywhere. With Wi-Fi, app, and voice control, you can summon this cleaning genie with a few taps or a simple spoken word, and it will heed your call, commencing its duty with unwavering resolve. Furthermore, the intelligent 3D obstacle avoidance technology acts as its eyes, preventing collisions and tangles, thereby protecting both the robot and your precious belongings. For instance, it can detect and circumvent electrical cords and charging cables, preventing frustrating entanglements that could halt its progress. This is the MANVN Robot Vacuum with 3D Obstacle Avoidance, a device that understands the nuances of a living space and adapts accordingly. Ultimately, it brings a new level of intelligent automation to home maintenance, allowing you to reclaim your time from the mundane chore of vacuuming. Ultimately, the MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo, a true multitasker, marries the functions of both a vacuum and a mop, providing a comprehensive floor care solution. The mopping feature, a gentle rain of water on your hard floors, leaves them sparkling clean, as if polished by a diligent servant. Meanwhile, the self-charging capability ensures that this mechanical marvel never falters in its mission. When its energy wanes, it instinctively returns to its dock, a weary warrior retiring to its keep, to replenish its strength. Consequently, it is always ready for the next cleaning cycle, a perpetual motion machine of cleanliness. In addition to all its other features, the MANVN Robot Vacuum with 3D Obstacle Avoidance is a game-changer for anyone with a busy lifestyle or simply a desire for a cleaner, more organized home, because it transforms a tedious task into a seamless, hands-free experience. Pros: 2,300 paw strong suction, slim 2.87 inches design, Wi-Fi, app control, voice control, 3D obstacle avoidance, self-charging, good for hard floors, good for carpets, good for pet hair. Cons: obstacle avoidance is instant, not suitable for thick carpets, small dustbin needs frequent emptying. Features: 2.87 inches slim design, Wi-Fi, app, voice control, 3D obstacle avoidance, self-charging feature. Ideal for hard floors and carpets, good for pet hair. 4 cleaning modes, up to 100-minute runtime. The MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is a 2-in-1 cleaning device with 2,300 paw suction power. It features a slim 2.87-inch design, making it easy to clean under furniture. The vacuum offers Wi-Fi, app, and voice control for convenient operation. Its 3D obstacle avoidance and self-charging capabilities ensure it navigates and recharges efficiently, with up to a 100-minute runtime and 4 cleaning modes. It is suitable for hard floors, carpets, and effectively handles pet hair. The MANVN Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a 2-in-1 cleaning device with 2300 PA suction. It features a slim 2.87-inch design, Wi-Fi, app, voice control, and self-charging capabilities. This robot is effective on hard floors, carpets, and with pet hair. However, its 3D obstacle avoidance is inconsistent. It is not suitable for thick carpets, and its small dustbin requires frequent emptying.